The quality of your life depends upon the quality of your habits. Creating an LLC. So now we're going to start getting into some of the business stuff. Creating an LLC is vitally important. It's not mandatory, right? However, there are significant benefits in utilizing your business as a business. So setting up an LLC has significant benefits, not the least of which is your ability to write off significant amounts of money on your taxes against your business, so that the IRS sees that there's a business entity and there's a personal entity, right? Now, the reason, in my experience, that most people don't set up an LLC is because it appears difficult. It appears hard. Like, I don't know how to go about that. When Marie and I first started this business, she set up our incorporation, but it's not overly difficult. Let's talk about how to set one up, high level, right? Choose a business name. That's easy, right? And the business name could be, Didi, comma, LLC. Like, it doesn't, the business name is what the business name is. The state will do checks against whether or not you've got somebody else has got that name, et cetera. You're going to file that with the state. And we all talked about ChatGPT and Google, right? We know how to do these things. So finding how to file an LLC is super simple. The forms are available on the state websites. Like, finding these forms are not difficult. I can help you with these things kind of after the class, so to speak, if you want to reach out. But it's not going to be hard for you guys, right? This is easy information to find. When you file that and you process that paperwork, it's $135. So they're going to give you an EIN, employer identification number. That is effectively your business's social security number, right? We all have a social security number and we all know how important that social security number is. It's how they track everything from taxes, et cetera. So the EIN is your business's social security number, for lack of a better word, right? That goes on every form looking forward. You're going to create an operating agreement, even if you're a single member. What the operating agreement talks about, though, and again, Google this, ChatGPT will get you through it. It's not going to be a problem. That operating agreement effectively states how that company is broken down. Think of the board of directors, right? Except you're the sole member. But having it written down and being able to submit that is something that the government will appreciate if that comes into question, right? And that's also important for something we're going to talk about in the future. Open a business checking your savings account under that LLC. Guys, this is probably one of the most important reasons to have an LLC. Right? You can't open a business account unless you're a business. Therefore, getting the LLC allows you to open a business account.